In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram filters. Hello guys, so in this video, as I said, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily. So all what you have to do is just don't open Instagram. You have to go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Go to the apps, and here on this page you need to wait a few seconds. It will start loading the applications that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram and then click on it like this. Click on the force stop option, and then right here all what you have to do is go down, go to the data usage, scroll down like this, and then disable the background data and the roaming data. Wait a few seconds and enable them again, and make sure that all those options are enabled easily. Now after that, all what you have to do is just open Instagram, and I am sure that problem it must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.